Welcome to the Frontline AI Playbook, a strategic blueprint for transforming field service, IT support, and supply chain operations. We'll explore moving from broken workflows to intelligent operations. AI success is a behavioral challenge, not just a technological one. Applying AI to broken workflows only executes nonsense faster, leading to trust collapse. The shift is towards workflow-embedded physical AI, using sensors to trigger digital actions. The core problem is the process debt iceberg. While we expect seamless automation, the reality is hidden process debt. This includes ambiguous procedures, shadow IT, and redundant approval steps, leading to failure patterns like automation of chaos and, quote, trust collapse. The target state is moving from legacy IT deployment, which is time-based and dashboard AI, to intelligent operations. Intelligent operations is outcome-based, frictionless, and embeds AI, data, and human expertise directly into workflows, leveraging the physical AI bridge. The Trust Loop framework shows how frontline AI adoption is built and broken. The loop involves AI insight, worker validation, improved outcome, and increased trust. Failure occurs due to issues like AI hallucination and lack of context. The 5-layer playbook model provides the architectural framework for AI adoption. It starts with Layer 1, workflow clarity, then Layer 2, process debt removal, followed by Layer 3, embedded AI guidance, Layer 4, physical plus digital integration, and finally Layer 5, continuous trust reinforcement. The behavioral layer is about designing the path of least resistance. By understanding the psychology of adoption using B=MAP and SCARF models, we can deploy micro-nudges to keep workers on the standard path and avoid the abandonment zone of cognitive overload. The Deployment Blueprint Part 1 covers preparation and process engineering. Phase 1 is diagnose, to identify high-friction workflows and map process debt. Phase 2 is redesign, to simplify workflows, define non-negotiable standards, and eliminate redundant legacy steps. Part 2 of the Deployment Blueprint focuses on augmentation and scaling. Phase 3, augment, embeds AI directly into the workflow. Phase 4, validate, measures actual adoption and captures frontline feedback. Finally, Phase 5, scale, replicates successfully reinforced workflows unit by unit. Real-life operational use cases includes field service, IT support, and asset maintenance. For field service, AI-guided dispatch optimization reduces repeat visits. For IT support, ticket triage automation lowers cognitive load. For asset maintenance, physical AI eliminates guesswork in quality validation. Industry use cases also cover supply chain, manufacturing, and safety. In logistics, AI provides undeniable execution records. For manufacturing/retail, quality validation via edge-based machine vision protects brand standards. In safety, contextual worker safety nudges prevent incidents. The failure modes diagnostic matrix helps prevent deployment failures. Symptoms like AI executes nonsense are caused by severe process debt and can be prevented by simplifying and mapping workflows. To address trust collapse, keep the human in the loop for validation. We need to focus on metrics that matter, shifting from vanity data to operational reality. Beyond efficiency, such as first-time fix rate, we must track quality, like rework reduction. Crucially, behavioral metrics, such as workflow compliance and emotional sentiment, measure the true XLA focus. The architecture of value operationalizes the human-machine system. The process power moat is the intersection of frictionless workflow design, physical AI integration, and human behavioral design. Competitive advantage lies in operationalizing proprietary data through this continuous learning system. Remember this executive mandate. Do not automate broken workflows. Redesign them for trust. The 4 steps are: map the baseline, pick one workflow, remove the debt, and embed the nudge, architecting the path of least resistance at the exact moment of work.
For more insights in field services and how to transform your organization, subscribe to Purposeful Nudge.